In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Woocommerce. We're going to start from a simple Google search and end on the official product page for the extra product options for Woocommerce extension, so you know exactly where to go and what to click. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Woocommerce and press Enter. You should see the official Woocommerce website near the top of the results. Look for the result that clearly shows the domain woocommerce.com. Ideally with a secure padlock icon. This helps you avoid ads or lookalike pages and ensures you're landing on the official site. Click the official Woocommerce result to open the site. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the extensions area. Depending on the current layout, you'll usually find extensions in the main menu at the top. If you're taken to a dashboard view first, that's fine. Just find and select the extensions option from there. The goal is to get into the Woocommerce marketplace, where all official extensions are listed. Inside the extensions section, look for the search field dedicated to finding products and add-ons. Click in that search bar and type Extra Product Options for Woocommerce. Take a second to confirm your spelling so you get precise results. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. If you do, choose the exact match for Extra Product Options for Woocommerce. If suggestions don't appear, simply press Enter to run the search. You should now see a list of extensions matching your query. Scan the results for the listing titled Extra Product Options for Woocommerce. The card will typically include the name, a brief description, and sometimes ratings or tags. Make sure it's the official listing from the Woocommerce marketplace to ensure compatibility and support. When you've identified the correct one, click the extension's name to open its product page. On the product page, you can review an overview of features, screenshots, compatibility notes, and version details. This is where you can confirm it aligns with your store's needs, theme, and Woocommerce version. If anything isn't clear, use the documentation and FAQ sections linked on that page for deeper clarification. It's also a good idea to check update history and support information so you know the extension is actively maintained. That's it. You've successfully used Google to reach Woocommerce, navigated to the extensions marketplace, searched for extra product options for Woocommerce, and opened the official product page where all the details live.